As he approached the crossing, he said he initially saw a reflection at the crossing, and soon thereafter, he realized that it was the front end of a vehicle that was on the track. He immediately put the train into emergency braking, and then he saw the car advance fully onto the track. Each of the third rail sections is 39 feet long. So as the train is moving along, the third rail is being ingested by the moving train. So you can do the math on that to figure out 12 times 39 to figure out how much of the third rail was being ingested. So there were 12 pieces of 39-foot sections inside the first rail car.